Hi. Hi. Hi, Livia. Hi, baby girl. Yeah, camera. Camera. No button pushing. Hi, Ariana. Yeah. Ham. What? Nicholas. Hi, buddy. Iana and Olivia. Yep. Ryan's at school.
Ryan?
It says at school.
Ryan?
He's at school.
Ryan?
He's at school.
Ryan?
What are you doing, Olivia?
Hey, Charlie.
Hi, baby. No screaming. Hi, Charlie. Charlie, get off the couch. You're not a human. He's sitting on the couch like a human. Whose car is that? That's Olivia's car. That's Olivia's Dora car. Char, get off the couch. Be nice with them. That's her car, Nick. Ariana. Nicholas! No. We have cars. We have enough cars for everyone. Where's the four-wheeler? That's nice, Ariana. Oh, God.